Hi, my name is Wilmer, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Whispeara, the pros, the cons, and whether it can really help solve your hearing problems. So stay with me until the end of this video, because I promise it'll be worth your time. If you're looking for information about Whispeara, chances are you're dealing with constant ringing in your ears, difficulty hearing conversations, or even that frustrating mental fog that just won't go away. And trust me, you're not alone. Many people wake up feeling stressed, exhausted, and isolated simply because their hearing isn't as sharp as it used to be. That constant noise in your head can rob you of your peace, your sleep, and even your confidence around others. When your hearing health starts slipping, it impacts your entire life, making social situations awkward, leading to misunderstandings, and even causing frustration in relationships. Over time, ignoring these issues can lead to bigger problems like anxiety, loneliness, and emotional exhaustion. But here's the good news. You don't have to live like this. Whispeara is a breakthrough solution designed to support your hearing health in a natural and effective way. I looked into it and found that after a series of lab tests, scientists developed a 100% natural formula using powerful plant-based ingredients and essential minerals. Whispeara was created specifically for people struggling with hearing issues caused by stress, aging, or even cognitive decline, giving your body the support it needs without relying on harsh medications or invasive treatments. With consistent use, Whispeara helps improve ear function naturally, reduce ringing and buzzing noises, promote a calmer mind and mental clarity, boost mood, energy, and focus. It's completely natural, meaning no harmful chemicals, no side effects, and no weird sensations, just gentle support for better hearing and an improved quality of life. Thousands of people are already experiencing incredible results with Whispeara, finally getting relief from that constant noise and regaining control of their lives. Of course, everyone's body is different. Some people notice improvements faster than others. But with patience and consistency, real results are possible. Another great thing about Whispeara is that it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. So you can try it 100% risk-free, and if you're not satisfied for any reason, you can get your money back with no hassle at all. But to get the best results, you need to take Whispeara every day and stick with your treatment. It's not a magic solution. It's a daily support system that takes time for your body to absorb and benefit from. Most people start noticing real changes after 2 to 3 months of consistent use. I also wanted to record this video to warn you about where you're buying Whispeara. There are fake products being sold out there, so be careful. To make sure you don't waste your money on counterfeit versions, I've left the official Whispeara website link down below in the video description. If you do decide to give it a try, make sure you take the treatment seriously and remember that everyone's results will be different because our bodies all work in unique ways. I truly hope this video helped you, and I hope Whispeara helps you regain your peace, clarity, and quality of life, just like it's helping so many others. Take care, and thanks for watching.